Hello, I'm Lelde Smits from the Capital Network. Joining me at Mines and Money Hong Kong is Managing Director of Camborne Energy Storage, Dan Taylor. Dan, wonderful to have you here.
Nice to meet you.
Now, Dan, Camborne Energy is a UK-based developer of large-scale energy storage projects.
Correct.
Could you tell us how you identify opportunities and also where you're currently looking for new investments?
Sure. We have a wide network of partners that provide both land, sites and grid capacity. We tie that with our finance to structure a project package and ultimately develop it on that basis. At the moment, our focus for storage is in the UK. It's quite a niche new market, as is demonstrated today, but we see it's obviously got a huge amount of potential, particularly in Asia Pacific, hence our appearance today.
Certainly, and as we are in Hong Kong, the Asia Pacific, can you go into some details about your plans for expanding into Asia and what your long-term goal is for this region?
Sure. It's kind of a moving feast, really. We don't know 100% how it's going to pan out. We know there are opportunities in providing grid-scale utility storage in pretty much every country in the world. We recognise that as Asia Pac is growing so fast and has a lot of emerging markets as well as established markets, that there is only going to be more and more opportunity for renewable integration. Intermittency creates an opportunity for energy storage. Renewable integration creates an opportunity for energy storage. The combination of the two is a no-brainer for us, really.
Excellent. And as far as the solar energy in general, what do you think are some of the more exciting developments that are emerging at the moment?
Solar, we've got quite a big background in solar in the UK. We've been quite successful in it. It's stalled a little bit there for us. We're only a small area. The obvious level of penetration of sunlight is much higher here in the region, and in Australia, for example, as well. So we're keeping an eye on it. We see the opportunity as potentially co-locating with storage assets, to optimise that kind of generation and create more of a virtual power plant effectively without the emissions.
Excellent. And final question, why have you chosen to participate in Future Energy and Finance this year?
Well, we've got aspirations to grow in Asia, and today's a perfect opportunity to see where the market's going, who's attending, who the movers are, and contact some of the guys that are actually right at the beginning of the supply chain in the minerals and mining area. So hopefully get some good networks from it.
Well, thank you so much, Dan, for the update, and enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you very much.